Hello, this is my fifth tutorial of C++ programming. In this tutorial I will teach you the basic of loops. What is a loop? So, if you want to, for example, go over an array, although I don't speak array right now, or just want to write out something several times, this is not good to Control V, Control C, Control V, copy paste, because it would make your source code less readable, and it will make your program much larger. Instead of Control C, Control V, we will use for loops. For example, for loops, while loops, do while loops. The loops will continuously run for some condition, according to some condition. Right. Let's start it. Include IOStream and using namespace std, so I don't have to write out std : every time, and make the main function. It requires no parameter, return an integer, and inside the code blocks let's do our for loop. The for loops require three things. The first is initialize the for loop, so just initialize the variables. For example, int I equals 0. In C++ you can declare and define variables anywhere, almost anywhere in the program. For example, in the for loop. Then semicolon, and comes the condition. The for loop will run while the condition is true. So I less than 5, so it will give us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 not less than 5, so it will not run then. Okay. And what do we want to do with the variable I? So the operation we want to do. We want to increase the I with 1 every time. Okay, there is something I don't mention yet. It should be familiar to you, the assignment operator from math and the earlier tutorial. The less than sign should be familiar to you from math class. So it will run while I, the variable, less than 5. And the operation, okay, this could be a little interesting for you because I don't mention that yet. It is similar than I equals I plus 1, just much shorter. And because this is shorter, we will use that. Okay. Then you don't have to put semicolon, remember, after loops and before code blocks actually, or after code blocks. So in this code block comes what the for loop should execute. So for example, simple write out variable I. Okay, and we could do much more things in it. Okay, return 0 because it's a good habit, and compile our program. Actually save it first. G++ first .cpp, and the fifth compiled without error. Great. Now run it. Uh-oh, actually I run the wrong program. Now that's what we want to see. So 0 through 4. It write out the numbers. Actually, this is called a loop variable. It's actually temporarily. I although don't speak scopes yet, but it means that if you define or declare a variable in a scope, so inside a code block, it will not be seen outer the code block. So in case of I, if I wanted to write out right here when the cursor is, it cannot be, because the variable will destroy out of this code block. So it is just temporarily. Okay then. We don't have to use it, of course. We could write hello world right here, and that would write out hello world 5 times, 0 through 4. If you want to 1 through 5, then just write it 1 and make it an equal sign here, or make it 6. Of course 5 is not less than 5, although 5 is less than 6, and 5 is less and or equal than 5. So in this way, if we compile it and run it, it will get 1, 2, 3, 4, although we should write out the I for that example, because it will not see any difference. It cannot be seen any difference. Okay, that's it. That's for the while loop. It will run while the condition is true. And okay. Thanks for watching and have a great day.